Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are gonna see that how to resolve msvcr100.dll error on Windows 11 computer in case some programs or games are not working on your computer. So whenever you face this issue, don't worry, nothing wrong has happened. It's just the specific DLL file that's missing or got corrupted. So let's go ahead. Let's see. The first step is that you have to open up the browser and go to this link that I have given in the description. Once you hit enter, scroll down and click on this download button. Check all these files and click on next. So once the both files are downloaded, go to the downloads folder. So they are duplicate files. The next step is that you have to open up these files. Click on I agree to the license and terms and conditions. Click on install. Click yes if you see user account control prompt. So that's installed. Now on the second file, click on it. Click on I agree to the license terms and conditions. Click on install. Click on yes. So once guys, these two libraries are installed on your computer, the msvcr100.dll error should not be available on your computer now. But still, if you see the another error in opening up the programs or games, you can go to CMD. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes. You can search by typing sfc or by / scan now. So it's a verification process that Windows will take, that what issue your computer is facing. So hopefully by installing these two libraries, that msvcr100.dll error should not be on your computer. So that's the way guys how you can resolve this issue. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.